Hey, what's up guys, I'm here and this is the OnePlus 5 in my hand. So today in this video I will show you how you can install Dolby Atmos in this device. So by default it has an audio tuner. You may find that in the settings in sound and vibration, and at the end you will find this audio tuner, and you can change only it whenever you connect it to headphones or earphones, etc. So Dolby Atmos is really good app to create surround sound, and you can change the levels according to you as you want. So your phone must be rooted to do this process, and also a custom recovery, which is the TWRP recovery, and enable the advanced reboot option from the developer settings so that you can go to the recovery mode directly. Now reboot to the recovery. So after rebooting to the recovery, which is over here, and if you don't know how to install this, then you can watch my video, link is in the description box. So after going to the TWRP recovery, then go to backup and make a backup of your system. So if your device goes in boot loop after flashing the zip file, then you can restore the system without losing any data. So just select the system only and then select storage. If you want to move the backup to the external OTG or in the internal storage, just select that and swipe to backup. And after the backup, just go to home, then go to install and select that zip Dolby Atmos for Oreo. Then click on it, select it, then swipe to confirm flash, and it will flash in about 8 to 9 seconds maybe. And after that, just wipe the Dolby cache and cache. And if you just forgot to wipe it, then you can go to the wipe again, advanced wipe, then select those and then swipe to wipe. And after that, just reboot the system. And after rebooting the system, then you will find the Dolby Atmos app in the app drawer, and you can see over here you can change the audio levels, equalizer, you can create the bass surrounding, you can change the modes to music, voice, movies, theater, anything, etc. So it's quite buggy right now, so whenever you turn it off, it will not show you that it's turned off, and whenever you just reopen it by clearing from the recent apps, then you can just again turn it on, and it will show you that it's already turned off. There's quite bugs, and you can see over here that whenever you're selecting anything in the graph, then it's not changing its own. So it's not changing to the level, but whenever you're listening any music in the headphones, earphones, or in the speakers, loudspeaker, then it will change the sound according to it. So it's really a great thing, and I like it so much. So this is a very short tutorial how you can save your device from getting the boot loop while installing the Dolby Atmos, or how you can install it. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoy this video, then hit the like button and subscribe the channel for more, and share this video, comment down below for any kind of query or suggestion, and I will see you guys soon in my next video.